We ain't worried about getting a little delay. We got a little delay. We ain't worried about. No, we keep this motherfucker rolling. Man. We gotta keep it rolling. Man.
Oh man, where is that? It's on here.
It's all go out to all my Naptown hoes, man. All my Naptown hoes gon' bring it up. We keep the bottles coming. Come over, you on the fuck? See them red bones where you at? You know what it is. Growing back real long, dick still real big. Put it down in you real. Hold up, wait a minute. Is this the coldest nigga that you ever seen before? Cause so how many of you women wanna go? How many of you hoes still wanna go? Still go to Trimmers on Thursday, Saturday. Hold up, wait a minute, jump up for show. And then young, yeah, they always say the young nigga hype like action. Always see me like Tony Gunn, I'm in traffic. Hoes stopping and they looking like, damn, what's up? I seen Keisha and she still fucking sick and thug. She still thick as stuck. Yeah, thick and thug. Got the pants looking good. Still put a coaster on it. When I mean put a coaster on it, been the front and back. Go ahead, give me that. Smack that, hit that front and back. Yeah, I see you at the bar. Fella old enough now to get the ball. Remember back in the day, used to play me like a pussy nigga like I wasn't gonna be a star. Now I'm the motherfucker all up in the mix. Yeah, I used to stand 5'2", but now I stand 6'1". And I'm kite diesel ain't a girl. You wanna suck a girl? Come on, let's play. Hop in the teasy world. I was fucking this bitch one day, and I made up this name. Go ahead and say it, baby. That boy Rico name. How many of you wanna hop in? Got the motherfucker with his pin. Hold on, wait a minute, baby girl. We ain't got the top go down with the sunroof in. Motherfucker like me, baby girl, be always in the action. I might see one of your hoes and get me down.
Get me down. Hey.
Realest in the mix, baby. Go ahead and tear him up, nigga.
Yeah. I'm gonna take her to the house, put my dick inside her mouth, knock her motherfucking ass out. I put her to bed, she gave me head, she gave me bread, and she fed me some chicken. Now, this is exactly how the fuck I should be living, or is it? Or maybe should I be posted at Trimmers, or maybe should I be posted rolling up with my niggas, or should I be at the Ritz, or probably at Aqua, or should I be in Alabama with my mama and papa, or should I feel like I'm that man, or feel like the nigga, or should I feel like I be feeling? I don't know, my nigga, but I feel like I feel good and I feel 100. I feel hood. I feel exactly the way I feel like a real nigga feel should or should feel, bitch. I'm real, my money tall and I'm here. I kill ill and kill Bill and I kill Brace and I take eight. You feel me?
Holla out to that motherfucking snow bunny.
Bow.
I don't trust the white hoe or no snow bunny.
Bow.
I hope you see this. I hope you listening to this shit. My daddy always told me when I was younger, don't trust a bitch with some blue-eyed wonder. Rolling around with the mix, rather had that American woman, man, said that she jumping on this, and I ain't been good. What you mean I'm doing real good? Still got respect, cause still walk my black ass through the hood. I'm from the streets, a product of the motherfucking ghetto. Don't you ever disrespect a nigga like me. I'm telling you. Some of you fake niggas be motherfucking caking up with these bitches, laying up with these bitches. That's just your wife. That's just your bitch. Huh? You cuffin' hoes, me and my nigga fuck the same bitch. We don't give a fuck. Her head was kinda cool. But where your friends at? Oh, that's no bunny. What did you do? You be playing like you don't want it. A mastermind shit. I saw you looking at the test. Wonder if do I got a big dick? Well, go ahead. You can pull it out and find out. You can pull it out and shop out. This is like a all-eat buffet. You can get what you want. Don't talk it out. We walk it out. We walk it out. When it all we in the club. Hold up. Wait a minute. Think I got the flow back. Hold. Wait a minute. Hold. Swallow love. I ain't worried about none of that. You better check when you come to a boss. Hey, I ain't fat like Rick Ross, baby girl. Kai Diesel, hey, baby girl, you come to me. You can holler at me when in the club. Don't be laid all up me. I ain't no motherfucker pussy ass girl. I'm the nigga at the bar. Get fucked up. Kissy, man, hide in the bitch. Goddamn, wait a minute. What time it is? Like 3:45. Let's get out of this bitch.